can get affected by it. The idea of working too hard for something and getting and like learn and getting nothing out of it basically. But I'm definitely not as affected as most people though. It's just that I'm still affected to a good degree. Like before the contract, I had so many ideas that I wanted to like put down and actually work on for the dude, but I didn't go through with it because of that the thing in my mind telling me, oh, uh, what if it doesn't work out? What if I don't get the contract? What if we fall out for whatever reason? So then it's like all that I could have been working on would be over just right then and there. But
Right. Oh yeah.
yeah.
Can't get lost in your own thoughts too often, you know.
Yeah. It's
Sometimes your
just
mind is not the safest place to be.
oh yeah, I know that better than anyone else. But it's more like I did uh, prepare a defense against myself as well, to say the least.
Defense against yourself.
Yeah, I had, yeah, you know. I mean, why do people need therapists, right?
Right, yeah, exactly.
Because they're attacking themselves.
Jeez.
Yeah. But in any case, though, but yeah, I mean, even so, like, I'll still at least put a good amount of effort into it, just knowing that I'm getting some experience and and learning new things is my reason to like be working hard. But yeah, I mean, I was still affected by that whole contract thing just because, like, remember, like how we had a follow with our group, right? Right. It's like everybody is gone now. It's just you and me.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. So it's
And we
like,
got Gabriel.
yeah, that's right. Yes, we have Gabriel. But yeah, I mean,
We got him to keep busy.
but the fact is, though, right? We we weren't able to keep most of the people anyway, and some of the fallouts are so ridiculous. So you never know, what people could be thinking or what their next action could be, because you don't know the guy personally, right? At the end of the day. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, that's a good point.
And not only that, you don't know what their world is like either. It's like the guy that left after that 20-minute late meeting, that one. Like,
Oh yeah.
again, he sees that there's not much going on and whatnot compared to his other groups. And we don't know what that's like at the time, right?
Right.
Like,
We
what
thought
is
we
it
had
like
our
with
shit
other
together.
groups? Yeah. But at the same time, it's like, what can you expect from a bunch of writers too that have that had no hand in making games?
Right. Yeah, exactly. No prior experience to kind of lean on at all.
Exactly. And yeah, he saw that future as we talked about last time. It's like he would have to be teaching us stuff, and he just does not want to have any of that.
Right. Sucks,
Yeah.
but yeah, I guess I get it.
Yep. Let's see. So let's what do you have anything in mind that you want to do right now?
Let's see. What did we say last time we were going to continue doing?
Yeah, we have to get T to tell us. That's right, the get T. Okay, I can like talk about that.
Yes.
So let's see here. I never got to getting that workspace going. That was like I was like thinking about like, oh man, you know, I made an issue for something and I'm supposed to do it, but I don't know what it was. I'm like looking through my issues and I don't even know what I'm looking for. So I'm like,
Right.
oh, block rollback, no, we don't need that. Make a browser UI,
Right.
oh, that wasn't something that was like, you know, doable right away.
Right. Yeah.
And I already did the like I closed it. It was the make notes on the lie of a normal life, right? So I
Oh
did do
yeah.
that one, but you know the other one I was like, oh man, what was that other one that you know I was supposed to be doing that I thought was gonna be pretty easy, I guess. Yeah, it was the desktop. Make a work Windows account. Oh my god, I didn't see it like that. Like I was like, make a work Windows account. Like in my subconscious, I didn't see that as anything.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also failed on my task. I got caught up in other stuff and did not do my speech bubble editor tutorial.
There goes your pay.
I know, right? Son of a bitch. Over, yeah. Ugh.
How dare
Went way
you?
over that
How
1
dare
minute.
you prioritize the other game group just because they're way better than us?
I'm sorry, man.
Oh well. I
Never
mean,
again.
yeah, yeah. But other than that, though, so let's see. What can we get to doing right now, though? So, oh, the repository. So let's actually do that GitHub desktop. Okay, and then, so yeah, he gave you a link.
Yeah.
So I'll have
And
to do that.
I guess I don't know exactly how he would have done that either.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll find out.
Okay.
Let's see. GitHub desktop. Make a link. Okay. Looks like I have to make a GitHub account.
Just like I did, probably.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, let's do it. Sign in with a passkey. Oh. You know, I probably had one from the GitLab tutorial. Also, I got a email about my GitLab trial expiring. Did you get one like that?
Oh, I actually haven't checked email in a minute. I'll check on my phone here quick.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Your trial has ended, it says.
Mm-hmm.
Here's what to do next.
Well, I mean, the features that were taken away were stuff that we weren't using anyway.
Oh, really? Oh.
Yeah, yeah. So.
And if we're using Git and now probably GitHub,
Yeah.
do we need all the Gits?
Yeah, it was just to see if we could use GitLab for ease of access for our game.
Oh, sure.
That's what it was for, but didn't work out. Let's see. It do be like that though.
Right.
Oh, like just finished watching all of Gundam Seed.
Did you?
Yeah. Like I got to the final episode and like after that, it's just been stuck in my head the entire time. I just kept on replaying that final fight scene, man. It was
Oh,
just
really?
yeah, it was just that personal for me. Yeah. I was like,
Oh
oh
man.
man, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to check out the anime. I'm getting about halfway done with Dragon Ball Super, so I got to start planning for the future.
Oh,
No
once
more
Dragon Ball
Dragon Ball.
Super is done, oh.
Uh, I don't know. That's just like a easy comfort show. It feels like,
Yeah,
since I've seen it before, and it's just a
exactly.
rewatch. It's nice to have on in the background or just to end the night with.
Mm-hmm. I see. So, like, you don't. I mean, I'm sure that you just end up paying attention to it or something, right?
Yeah, I mean, geez, what is it? A couple nights ago, I was trying to do some work that would have taken me maybe 15 minutes, and it lasted like an hour because I kept watching like the fights and everything and
Ah, it do be like
stupid
that.
stuff.
Yeah,
Right? Yeah, I could do this 15 minutes in silence. 15
yeah.
minutes of work in silence and hate every second of it, or I could make it last an hour with a lot of distractions.
Yeah, exactly. It do be like that. We are all
Indeed.
the same in that aspect. Okay, give me 1 second. Just need to change. I'll just change it to this for now. Then go to my email. So like earlier I was like looking into changing nicknames and I was like, oh, I can change Ethan's nickname, but when I look at mine I'm like, what? I can't change my own nickname. How's that even how does that work like that? Like I'm
Oh, that is
literally
weird.
the owner of the server and I can't change my own nickname? What? What what am I missing?
Oh, that is funny.
Yeah, and I was like thinking of changing your nickname to Ethereum.
Ethereum?
Yeah.
What was
Instead
that?
of Ethan is Ethereum. It's literally a crypto coin.
Oh God. Oh
It's the
yeah. Okay,
cryptocurrency.
I think I might have. Yeah, Ethereum.
Yeah. That was like the first thing that came to mind because I was like thinking, oh, EW? Oh, but that means you.
Yeah, right.
And so I did
Yeah, that was
ETH and I was like, wait, that's Ethereum.
Ethereum. Right,
Uh,
right.
fuck me, man.
Oh, that was funny.
Let's see.
Damn,
Master.
Ethereum prices are up.
Okay.
Sorry, just looking into it.
Mhm. Let's see. Collaborative coding. Sure, whatever. Okay, now that that's done. Let's see. Is everything good? Continue with browser. Hello? I can't do anything. It's not letting me do anything. What? Okay.
You can't click on the continue with browser or
I had
anything?
to exit.
Oh.
Yeah. Authorize desktop. Personal user data. Oh well. Okay. Description. Game.
Game.
Keep this code private. Okay. You do that. Save. Oh, true. Now. So, like, what did the URL look like anyway? Can you like show me what it looked like?
Yeah, here. Are you watching my screen? I have it in a direct message from him.
All right, let's see.
Oop.
Git worry 1 month jam reverse progress dot git. Huh. Okay. So I guess this is for you then. See if this works.
All right.
Dun, dun,
Copy. I'll just clone repository. All right. And let's see, I'm gonna put that in the renpy file.
Nice, nice.
You are logged in. The network is accessible and spelled correctly. Okay. Try that one more time. Yeah, there's nothing else to do.
Let's see. I mean, it's there, but
That is odd.
yeah. Is it because it's private? I don't understand.
Oh,
Don't think that should
feel
be.
like this one would have been private too.
Yeah, all right. I mean, like the whole point of GitHub is to share projects with each other, so I doubt that privating is supposed to like lock you out of it.
Yeah, right, exactly.
So did you watch that video?
That one I sent you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I went through with this test repo.
Oh wow, it was 34 minutes, huh?
Yeah, it was I mean, he covered a lot, and he was pretty easy to talk to or listen to. Talk to, jeez, pretty easy to listen. You
Whoa,
know,
we have a
he's
a
a good listener when he paused
parasocial
him.
viewer here.
Yeah, right. We're best friends now, so it's whatever. Oh god. Jeez, I'm trying to think.
Wait, so
He had me log into GitHub, I think, originally. Let's see.
you mean the guy that gave it you the code? How about like make a new repository thing?
Right here. Oh, you know what? He had me log in through the Git T. So I wonder.
What?
I'm signed in.
Yeah, you're shutting
Well,
down.
I had to be connected to our Git T somehow, and so then let's see. Oh yeah, I guess I have two things open for it. But at one point, I had to go into the Git T. I had to
Mm-hmm.
go to my profile, or what was it? Settings. And then he had me do in the applications, I had to make a token. And then for some reason, when I made this token, I was able to use that to log in and connect to the GitHub desktop. Something happened with that,
Mm-hmm.
but I wonder if that's something I have to. Maybe are we already connected in a server together where we could just use the Well, I mean, if we're already connected through GitT, I wonder if we can use our own GitT for that.
I mean, we both have a GitHub account now, so we can just both do that too. Might as well.
So then if I do this and go through a similar thing. Well, I don't know. It did prompt me to like sign in too. It didn't just give me that immediate message that it wasn't working. Clone repository. Paste. Yeah, and that's exactly what you sent me. .git.
Let's see.
Think if I put it somewhere else, it might work.
No, don't worry about that. Cancel.
Okay.
We'll see.
Well, right now it's heading to my Godot file.
Okay.
So switching that to renpy, but
Right. Earl. What happens when you go to github.com?
okay, so I have this.
Yeah.
I want build to your repository.
Okay. Can you cancel out?
Yep.
And then
Cancel.
go to, you see that current repository, it says test repo.
Yeah.
So let's see here. What does add do?
Oh, it allows me to clone, create, and add existing repository.
Let's see that.
So I think that would be something local. It would be something already on my files, right?
So cancel, I guess. So did you have to oh no, it doesn't look like you had to, because I see the other guy's thing in there as well. Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that's his.
Mm-hmm.
By the way,
But yeah, all we did was we went to here, clone URL, and on his.
well, why does it say Winter Writer down here?
That's when I had to log in, and he was sending me my username for our server. Because I was doing it with just the dash, and so he sent it to me because he couldn't explain the underscore.
Oh, he didn't know. He didn't know how the word for underscore, the term.
I guess, yeah. I don't know. He's like, here, hold on, let me send it to you. And I'm like, okay. And then I was like, oh, okay, that was it. That was what was wrong. But yeah, and then I wasn't getting the password correct because I never made a password to log into his Git. You know, it like automated a password or something like that, or maybe it was like a key like he had made me make.
Mm-hmm.
It's very odd. Yeah, I don't know why this isn't prompting me through the same steps. Is there any way we could just connect through GitHub then, and then I could grab it to my local GitHub desktop?
Mm-hmm. I'm just looking right now. Give me 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Can also use a GitHub.
Okay.
Role. Let's see. Got the GitHub. I'm asking Copilot.
There you go.
Go to the GitHub website, navigate, click on the green button, label code, copy it, open GitHub desktop. You can already download and install it. In GitHub desktop, click on File and select Clone a repository. Choose the URL, paste the GitHub URL you copied, specify the local directory, click the clone button. Yeah, like everything is supposed to be just like that.
Right. Yeah, that's so weird.
Okay, well, I'll have to so what's your GitHub username thing?
The username is just capital W Winter, capital W Writer, no space.
Okay, no space, got it. Okay, let's see. So I want to take that out. Okay, and then I want to go to settings, collaborators, add people, Winter Writer, invite. Now you're in the repository, and maybe then it says pending invite, so you'll have to, yeah, check your inbox, I guess. Nothing.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing yet. That's weird. Oh, there we go.
Oh, it just took a little bit.
Yeah.
Accept.
Decline.
There we go.
All right.
All right, now
So,
now go to the GitHub desktop and see if it works now. Eh?
okay, so then
Okay.
repository. Oh.
Like you were already there though. Okay, it's repository.
Yeah,
Oh,
I just
okay,
wanted
yeah,
to start new.
True.
Sticking with the URL still though?
Yeah. Because I want to try it.
All right, let's see if this works then. Going back to renpy.
Yeah, you're in there already.
Sweet. All right, clone.
Okay, so you had to be in there. You had to be in the project.
Okay, that makes sense then.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So that was the issue. I mean, I figured, but like I was too hard-headed and wanted to like research how to do it instead of
Gotcha.
instead of just brute forcing anything.
Right.
But yeah.
So what have you all added to it then? Pretty much everything?
Well, yeah, just go ahead and use it, see what happens. Play the game.
Oh, I suppose then. Okay, so play the game. What do you mean? How do I do this from? I can't do that from the desktop, can I? from this, or do I actually go into GitHub?
Well, you basically what you just did right now is that you downloaded everything that was in the repository. Therefore, where did you download it?
Oh,
Right?
okay. So then I should be able to just open up my renpy and play it on there.
Maybe,
Maybe.
because like, remember what location you saved it in?
I did save it in renpy.
Yeah, you saved it in there, but you're not seeing
Mm,
anything here, are you?
no.
Let's see, refresh.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Where's that
It's up.
refresh? Oh, there it is. There we go.
Okay, so yeah,
Nada.
that's it. That's it. Okay. Well, in any case, so go into your file explorer and look for it. Where'd you save it? There you go. You saved it there, right?
Residual team, yeah.
Yeah.
Everything's there.
Oh.
Hmm?
Where's the game icon?
Where is the game icon? That's a good question.
Let's see. If I
It's weird.
look for it myself. Residual team, residual game. Oh, wow. That's weird.
The actual game is not in there either.
I guess that's just how it's supposed to be. And you're supposed to open it through renpy. Let's see. Now we have to ask the question of I want renpy launcher to locate to list the renpy game I downloaded. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so you'll want to put it in the same directory as your other projects uh, that you save, like in the wherever they are, which is in projects,
Oh,
I'm
it was
guessing, right?
in projects. Yeah, okay. So
Yeah. So
do
I
that.
don't want you to do it that way though. I want you
Okay.
to go to your GitHub desktop, and I want to see if there's a way to change the location through that instead.
Oh, yeah, that's a good thinking. Okay, so all right, I'm in here, and now what do you think?
Let's go to File. Let's see.
Options.
Okay. No, get out of there. Go to Current Repository.
Okay.
Yeah, click it. Can you right click Residual Team? What happens?
Okay.
Repo path, view on opening, showing Explorer, open an external editor. Okay, so that won't be it. Let's go to repository then. Let's see. View on GitHub, open an external editor, create issue on GitHub, repository settings. Yeah, let's try repository settings anyway.
Okay.
Let's say, okay. So, cancel out. Let's see. Go to edit.
Edit. All right.
Huh. What does copy pasting it do? What are you supposed to copy and paste?
That's a good question.
Well, just copy. Let's see what it copies.
Copied. All right.
No,
Now what?
I don't know what it copied.
Yeah, I have no clue.
Okay. Well, in any case, I guess you'll just have to do it the
The
different way.
old-fashioned way.
No.
No.
The same thing over again, but now in a new path. So you have the URL. You want to import the
Clone it again?
repository. Clone repository. Yeah, there you go. And then
URL.
URL. Yeah.
No.
I guess. Hold on. Can you Windows V?
Windows V.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it is
Oh.
there. So go back to your GitHub repository, GitHub desktop. Okay, now Control V.
Windows
Sorry,
V.
Windows V. Yeah. Yeah.
And
Click
just
on
that guy.
There you go. Can only clone to
Folder.
empty folders. Okay, so choose.
And go into the project.
Yeah.
Okay. And then clone it.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Now for the go to current repository and then delete the old one.
Ooh, which one is the old one?
Well,
All right, so this is the new one.
yeah.
And that is the old one. Remove. All right.
Yeah, because if you did it the old way that you were planning to do it, like
Yeah.
GitHub desktop is not going to recognize it.
Oh, really?
Not that I know
Oh,
of anyway.
okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Well, we can test it though. I mean, you can try right now. It's
Oh.
like you go to your projects residual team and move it out and see what happens to it. See what happens to the GitHub desktop. Wow, I like how residual team's still there.
So you want me to like cut this
Yeah, cut it out. Yeah,
and then
go back. Yeah, and then paste it there.
replace or
Yes.
just skip? Replace?
Yes. Okay, now let's see what happens. Can't
Could
find.
not find.
Yeah, and then it would say
Okay.
clone again. Oh, but you have locate, so there is that. Okay, so that's what it
So-
would do. All right,
So
so
that
now
would
you
allow
can.
me to find it.
So
Okay.
yeah, it'll allow you to find it. But so go back to the Windows Explorer and just
Well-
Control Z.
The File Explorer?
Yes.
Okay. Control Z.
I think
Is
that it went back. Yeah.
Looks like it's there.
Yeah.
And there
Okay,
it is.
and it found it again. Yep. There you
And
go.
there's only one. So
Okay.
then this one that's out here, I can just delete this, right?
That's
Not that one. That is the good one. Hold on. There we go. This one.
That was funny. Anyway, okay,
There we
now
go.
go to renpy launcher.
All right, let's see if it all that work worked.
Mm-hmm.
Refresh.
Okay. It's not showing up, so
Interesting.
how about you go back to the repository now? Oh yeah, sorry, not repository. Windows Explorer. The File Explorer. Okay. Go into residual team. Now, just cut all that out. Like all of it.
What?
Take all of it. Select all.
What is that?
You can select
Oh.
all by. Okay, yeah, like that. Yeah. Cut it. Yeah.
Then cut it.
Yeah, and then go back. And then just paste it there. Okay, and yeah, just and you're just I don't know what's gonna happen to residual team, honestly.
All right, let's see.
Well,
There we go.
yeah, it shows up now anyway.
Now it
So go
does,
to the
right.
repository now. Sorry, GitHub desktop. See what happens. Okay, so it seems to be okay. Oh, the file is empty, I guess.
Yeah, so now it's
Yeah, yeah.
adding all of this then? Because this is all adding.
Mm-hmm.
300 changed files.
Yeah.
Oh, because is that adding in all of mine? Residual
Well,
2E.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, well, so what you can do is go to current repository and right click it. Let's see. Okay, yeah, just remove it. And then, yeah, just do that same thing again.
Just download it all again, and should I undo all of this?
Yeah, you should just get rid of all that. So, yeah, to get rid
Should
of
I
it.
just
Yeah, just get
delete
rid
it?
of it.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, and then go to the desktop.
All right,
Okay,
and we'll
let's do it.
clone. Let's see here.
Clone.
And where do I want to put this?
You
Not
want
in.
to get rid of that residual team. So cancel. Can you get rid of residual team?
Get rid of residual team.
Yeah. The folder contains files Git can only clone to empty folders. Interesting. So it's like that, huh? Wow. That sucks. Oh well, I guess you're just gonna have to. We're gonna go back to how you did it before. So clone it. Go to renpy. Sorry, just choose. And then go to.
Should I just make a new folder?
Well, I mean, it's gonna make a new folder itself.
Right.
Okay, so just select folder, I guess. Since you, no, get rid of that. Get rid of it. It's still there.
Oh, it's still gonna be there.
Yeah. Okay, select folder.
Just select folder.
Yeah, and that residual team, that is making a new folder. That's called residual team. That's what that is.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. So when you see that slash and then residual and then a name of some kind that you never had before in that folder, right? It's making a new folder. But as you can see, it's saying projects new folder residual team. So it's now making two new folders, which you do not want.
Excellent.
No, you do not want that. Choose. Go to choose.
Going to choose.
Okay, and then go to renpy. And then
Projects.
And then select folder. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cloning.
So now you know how to automatically make new folders.
Right. Yes.
Okay.
Indeed.
So that's done, and now you want to go back to your window file explorer, and then go to residual team.
Go again?
Into it, and then go to residual 2. Just copy residual 2 if anything. copy it, and then bring it out. Yeah. Because the game renpy launcher, will only recognize things that are in this folder, and specifically made the way that renpy likes it anyway. So yeah, now it'll be recognized in renpy launcher, but residual team, you'll just have to, every time you make changes that you feel are good enough, you'll have to copy that residual 2 and then go into residual team and then paste over the old residual 2, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. I don't really know how else to do it.
Right.
Because GitHub Desktop and renpy launcher likes to be an ass about it. In any case, go to renpy launcher now. Okay, now launch project.
Yeah. All right, boom, launching project. Whoa.
Look at that.
What a neat game. Article.
Oh, it has so much story in it.
Whoa, and look at this laptop.
Oh.
So detailed.
Oh
I love all
God.
the dinges.
I know, right?
Huh, I kind of wanted to get going, but I guess it's out of the
Oh,
window
this
now.
character is so full of life.
Yeah, man, wow. I love the voice.
The voice. Oh my God.
Not like I was going to be the next CEO of the company anyway. Whoa, he got an email.
Oh.
Seamless.
Actual
project
in-game
residual.
content that's not copied off of anything, called Lookout.
Oh, look out. Oh, I love that. Uh-oh, you got this over here. New Outlook.
A new Outlook.
New Outlook for your Lookout email. That's great.
Oh, God, it's hilarious to look at.
And we did it. That was the game.
Finish the game.
All right.
Let's go. Worth $20.
Let's go.
It's
All
worth
right,
the
so
full
yeah.
game price.
Yeah, it's the going price for games nowadays.
$80 on my end. Probably 60
Yeah.
for you.
Probably, yeah.
Huh.
All right, now what do we do?
Now, what is it that we have to do? Let's see. We go to the issues, the Gitty. I guess you can make a change to the game, right? And then try uploading it and see if I can accept it.
Okay, so here, let's just open up the script here.
And just make him say something new.
Yeah, good thinking. Let's see. What do I want to change? Might be worth checking out.
Well, you could just go to the email document and then copy and paste one of those quotes that you made.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's see. Okay, so I need to go back to here. Let's see, where did we have that? Was that in content? Here we go.
Yeah.
I can just copy and paste it right into there?
Yeah. We're just
I didn't know
testing.
that.
Desktop, GitHub. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So then control save. And
Then
now what?
test it. See if it works.
Or test it out.
Well, I mean, you need reload.
Did it not reload it? Oh, oops. Uh-oh, what happened here? Terminated with a new line text.
Wow, how are you moving like that?
That's everything looks right.
Save it.
Control save.
See what happens now.
Okay.
Okay, it seems to be working.
Must have auto reloaded with that. Oh, geez. Well, I didn't even see the dialogue. All right, it's not that long of a game. We'll just click through it.
Well, there you go.
There we go.
All right,
It's
so
weird.
now
What
that
does
that's
this have?
done.
Do you see how this has the actual
Yeah, yeah,
thing there? That's weird.
yeah. Maybe you wanna look into that then.
Let's take a peek. What is going on here? Okay, so there's just a double parentheses, or not parentheses, quotation marks there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's fixed. Control
All right.
save that.
Good job bug testing.
Yeah, basically a game tester, no big deal. And it's done.
Hooray!
Excellent. All right, so now that we've got that and we've tested it, now what is the step? Now I want to go to my file explorer,
Yeah.
and then I want to copy this and then paste it into here, right?
Yep.
All right, so copy that. All right, copy. Coming in here, open that up. Just paste over that, replace. All right, should be done there.
Okay.
And then with that, I'll go into this guy,
Okay. 10
and
change
they have
files.
these changes. Let's just do fixed dialogue.
Bro, you're the one that made the dialogue like that.
No way. Maybe.
Let's-
Probably.
Let me just check it myself.
Then push it.
Oh, no, you're right. You did fix it. I
All
blame you
right,
anyway.
and
Okay,
so then
now.
that I push that now. So then you should be able to pull it.
Okay, let's see.
So I'll watch your screen now.
Okay, so fetch, I guess.
Right. Yep.
Pull one commit from the origin remote. Has a commit on GitHub that does not exist on your machine. Pull origin.
Now, if
Okay.
you look in the history, is it there?
Fix
Okay.
dialog.
Oh, you see how my icon's the Baron?
Yeah,
I've been using.
you're him.
I am the Baron.
All right, so now.
All right.
Now that that's done, let's see. I'll go on my copy repo path, huh? Show in Explorer. So it's in here. Okay, yeah, so I did put in a separate thing. Got it. Okay, and then so 10 changes. But now what? like I see that's there, but like I guess I'll just see if that go to game project. Let's replace the files. Refresh. I could have just checked the code, honestly, but whoops. How do I get out of here? I guess I'll just delete it this way. Okay, anyway. They were changed. Oh my god, that's an issue actually.
What happened? I can't see what you've been doing. I've just been able to see your desktop.
Oh, I see. Change Windows to screen. Okay. Get that out of the way. So these things that you did, okay? So
Yeah,
here's my residual team, right? So it's here.
right.
And they
Okay.
were pushed. I fetched the origin and whatnot, and then like it shows that things were changed, and then so I just copied it and then pasted it on top of this residual too, and
Okay.
then as a result, the script got changed automatically on my visual script thingy, whatever this is.
Right, right. Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, that's not a good
So
thing
is that
actually.
good? It's
No.
not a good thing. Is that because we didn't make a branch?
Yeah. So we need to. I need to make a branch at least, but so we need to make a new branch. Okay. And then we have changes, I guess. Well, we like Ethan changes.
Sure.
Okay. Let's see. Publish branch. Interesting. So that's done. So then what? I guess like go to your GitHub desktop and see if maybe if you fetch, you'll have a new branch.
Other branches. Here we go. Ethan changes.
Okay, yeah, that's good to hear. Now, let's see. So now that you have an Ethan changes, but the fact is that you could change the main branch at any time. In any case, though, we'll
All
just.
right.
It's okay. I mean, but yeah. So what is it? We need to. So you're gonna add another line of code of CJ saying something else now, and then
Okay.
yeah. So you do that, and then you're gonna push those changes through the Ethan changes branch.
Okay. So let me just pick a new line then to copy from what we've written. This one sounds good. All right. Then we'll save that. Test it quick. All right, the line's there. Okay. Oh yes, now I gotta go to the File Explorer. Let's see. Copy it. There, paste it.
Okay, everything's working.
Oh wait, no, hold on. This. Copy it. Paste it here, not copy again. There we go. Place. Okay. Now changes. Modified. Changes. Commit to Ethan changes. And push.
Okay.
Pull or preview pull request. Oh no, I don't need to do that, do I? So then
Anyway, yeah, so let's see. Okay, so fetch origin. Last fetch just now. More dialog changes. And then it's in the just now. Okay, so now that that's done, how's that supposed to work now? I don't understand. The binary file has changed. Open file in external program. Yeah, let's see. Oh my god, I have no. Okay, never mind. I have a mouse. Anyway. Yeah, I don't understand what I'm supposed to do now. I guess I'll just see if. I mean, the changes are probably actually still there. Okay, nothing has happened.
that's a new dialogue there though.
Oh. Oh, so another AI to test. What? No. Which one?
Yep.
This one?
No, that's so another AI to test because before I just had thought I was done with this testing
okay,
crap.
okay.
So yep, that first line in that pair is new.
Okay. So I'll just launch it. There you go.
And so then once you see that that's running all right, then don't you merge the branches and then we would start a new thing? And like I would just always start a new branch when I was going to work on anything. And then I'd send it to you.
What just happened was that those changes were only supposed to be for your branch, but what happened was that those changes went through to the folder. Okay, it went through and made it in here, and so when I copy it and paste it here, that means that that means that my main thing has been changed forever, right? And the point
No,
of
well, isn't it if you go to your desktop now and then you delete the branch without merging them, those will all just be gone, right? The
okay,
changes in
let's
there.
see. Yeah. So let's see here. So I go to main branch. then. And then if I so now that I'm in the main branch, this should have changed. Is that what you're telling me?
I think so. If you play the game again, or just look at the code again, will it?
Well, I mean,
I suppose yeah.
I have
You
to
do the
paste it in
copy
here.
and paste. You're right. Right.
Okay, so it just had to reload. Just do that. Okay, that's done.
Yep.
Okay.
Now it's back to normal.
Okay. So that's how that works. Good. Yeah, I was trying to understand how that works, but that's good now. Now we know. Okay, so we know everything that we need to know now for how to do this stuff, right?
Right. Yep.
All right then. So, do I need to make one for myself? Is the question.
I mean, I think it would be wise of us both to always be working on branches, and then add those changes to the main once we've confirmed. Basically, once you've confirmed that everything's running how you see it fit as the game director, you know?
Yeah. It's let's see. We'll see how it goes in the future, but right now it's looking. Yeah, I don't think I need it right now, but we'll see when I need it. Like if I need it, it'll come anyway, right? So, but right now, all I see is that like this is considered Victor's branch kind of thing. But
Oh, the main branch?
like this would be where the main branch is, but this like this is my thing, right? But I guess
Oh, that's yours. Okay.
yeah. But I keep having to like copy and paste into this, so I guess it's not gonna work. So I guess now I've found my reason to make my own branch.
True.
Okay. But let's see. Now that I've made my own branch, how do I go about it? Choose branch to merge into Victor changes.
Because that's what's selected there. So, yeah. If you select the main branch, then I think you'd be choosing to merge into that.
It's up to date with main. This will merge one commit from Ethan changes into Victor changes. I see. Okay. That's interesting. It's gonna be a little bit hard for me to figure out how to do this as the guy that's like being the main hub of the game kind of thing. But we'll just have to go forward with it and see what happens. Because my issue was like, oh, I make changes, and then I guess what I'm supposed to do is I keep to this branch, right? I stay in this branch and then I copy these changes and paste them into residual 2, and theoretically, that should only paste into Victor changes, right?
I think so. I mean, no matter what you do on the branches, all of that can always be undone, I'm pretty sure, without the copy and pasting on your own accord. I don't.
Yeah, but whatever. Like, and also, in terms of like resource management, it would be better to use the git bash or whatever, right, to like send changes out because those will send the changes that have been changed instead of like copying the entire thing and then pasting it, just getting rid of everything else in the like just like replacing things, right? It's like that's a waste of computer resources basically. Even though it doesn't, I
Mm.
think it doesn't really matter on our end, yeah. But yeah, it's just something to consider, just as understanding the workings of a computer and like
Mm.
that doing what we're doing right now is like kind of like brute forcing stuff, I guess, and
Right.
therefore is incorrect in quotations and also
Right.
inefficient. Because like let's
Yeah.
say you have a really big game to make changes for, it's like I don't know 10, 20, 60 gigabytes, 60 gigabyte
Right.
game. It's like you're not just
Hmm.
gonna copy and paste that and just wait for everything to get replaced. That's gonna take like a 5 minutes or something, you know?
Right. Right.
Yeah. So that's why using git bash to make the changes for you would be the best way to go about it.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, so I guess we learned to do that then.
Get bash.
Yeah. I mean, you used the video, you watched the video, right?
Yeah, I watched that video.
So like did it tell you how to use the git bash?
He didn't get into Git Bash. He was just going about desktop and GitHub.
Okay, and did he talk about like the branches and copy and
Yep.
pasting
He
into
never mentioned any copy and pasting and stuff. He was constantly making just new files for all these things.
hmm. Yeah, so that's
But
the
everything,
issue.
yeah, I see that being a bit of an issue.
Uh with renpy that is. Renpy is the issue.
renpy is making it more difficult
Yeah, because
than
we
it has
shouldn't
to be.
have to do that. Let's see. Extract dialog, generate translations, web beta, iOS, Android build distributions. Okay. Preferences. Okay. Let's see. renpy launcher and git. Let's do that. Nine months ago. Okay. Let's see what this guy has to say.
All right.
When coding the game on the computer and a friend wanted to join me in making said game, I made a repository on GitHub, added her project, she downloaded without any problems on her computer. Now the problem is how do we make the renpy launcher start the game from the folder she downloaded? Uh-huh. Okay. Can they import the GitHub repo into the git renpy install directory? They show up then. Yeah. Yeah, so he's having the same problem. Okay. So what I'm reading here is that we have to try to make the repo directory the renpy directory, which is residual 2 here. So I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna make that change. Let's see. To do that, so now that just has a main branch. Okay. So now that's uploaded. Now you have to get the URL for that one.
Correct.
And it should show up in the residual team. You're in the residual team.
Am I going to a new repository then, or that you're
Yeah, you
adding?
need to do that. Or maybe it's already done. Maybe like let's see, branches, general, go to code. Okay, I'm not seeing it actually. So there's 2 branches. Did I upload it? Is it done? What did I do? Do I need to push it? View on GitHub?
I am on GitHub.
No, me.
Oh.
Let's see, so I guess this one then. Yeah, so I did wait. It just has git attributes, that's it. So give me 1 second. Okay. Is that making any sense at all? I think not. I think it is not making sense. So I'm gonna... It's not supposed to be like that. Remove. Clone repository? Add existing. First of all, do I want to delete that? Does not appear to be a GitHub repository. Would you like to create a repository here instead? Okay. Okay, this is looking more promising. So that's done. Okay, there are Git attributes here. Looking good so far. How do I check the contents in it?
Go to your history.
Ah, okay. Yeah, there it is. Actual game.
As opposed to the fake game. The decoy game.
Okay, okay. Well, before you do anything, I just need to make sure that. Okay. You know what? I mean, changes are gonna be made anyway. So doesn't matter. I mean, like those were just tests anyway. Those quotes. So that's done, and then I need to now go to view on GitHub. So now all this stuff. Ah, there's the game.
Sweet.
Yeah. Now I just copy this and I send it to you.
All right, and then on my end, I just go into the GitHub. I should be able to be added. Do you got to add me to the repository on here again, quick too?
I think we'll see anyway. I guess settings, collaborators, and yeah, I do. Okay. Winter Writer. Almost sounds like a superhero name.
Winter Rider, really lame superhero. Cold disposition. He sits in a snowy cabin all day and writes beneath the candlelight. Oh god.
That's so good.
All right, copying.
That's my favorite superhero.
That's my favorite. I love him because he's so realistic. You know, he's got depression and all that. It's great.
Okay. Now it's getting too real.
No, it's getting too real. All right, and so should this be?
It's another Batman.
It's another Batman. All right, if Batman's parents didn't die, he's just super lame. Is this local path correct here, or do I have to do something else?
I think so. Yeah, it looks looks fine to me.
It worked in projects before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So clone.
All right. So cloning. Couldn't find the repository. Oh wait, that's because I did not.
Oh yeah, you need to accept the invite.
Accept it. Yes. All right. There we go. Accepting the invitation. All right. Everything's there. Give this another go. Paste. Beautiful. Cloning. There we go.
There you go.
The real game.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Looks like everything's there. All 133 changed files. Excellent.
Okay. And
no changes have been done.
Create a branch for Ethan, and then create a branch for Victor. And there you go. And I just published that branch. Now you just gotta fetch it.
Fetching. Fetched. I got a Victor one.
Okay. Why does it say origin Victor? Interesting.
I think maybe because you're the original creator, so it shows that you created this branch. Because here, let me create a branch and see what it looks like.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Just make a False
Fake
branch? You said
branch.
fake branch. Okay.
Create branch.
That's
I'm
not
on the
made of
fake
real
branch.
wood.
Right. Yeah, and see how the origin isn't there.
Yeah. So
It's
what I had
just
to do
yeah.
was I also had to uh I also had so I had to go into Ethan branch and then push that as well.
Okay, I will grab that. Deleting the fake branch. Deleted. Fetching. Origin Ethan. Oh, what was going on there? Double clicked. There we go. All right.
Okay.
I'll work on my branch, and you can work on your branch, and we'll meet in the main.
Yeah, yep.
Sweet.
All right, so let's do that then. So let's work on those branches. So
Is there anything I needed to? Yeah. What do I need to delete here then? It's just residual 2 without the dash, right?
I guess yeah, let's go through that actually. So
Like these two, I think. Right.
cause that residual 2 at the dash, I'm pretty sure that's the teams. But
Oh, maybe. I don't know. I'm just looking back to date modified or the timestamp. This is the one I just downloaded
yep,
with the
exactly.
dash.
The residual team can be deleted anyway. Yeah. We'll delete that one.
Clear that out of the way.
Oh, well, hmm. It says it'll get rid of it the on the desktop, but that doesn't mean that it gets rid of it online. So let's see.
Oh, you were looking here. Okay, I already deleted that. Yeah, so move. It's got that. Perfect. Branches. Excellent.
So let's see here. How would you delete this one? Settings. Danger zone.
Danger zone.
Delete this repository.
Highway to the. You deleted it on the on GitHub. You're getting rid of it.
Yeah, yeah.
Gotcha.
To confirm, type it. Wow, no, I can't just copy paste.
That's weird. Yeah.
Well,
Really
I
make you
mean,
go through a lot of work.
I was able to highlight it, but
Oh, but it wouldn't give you the option to.
no, I just didn't try.
Oh, well, what's the use in trying? What's that ever got anyone?
I like how this
So,
says renpy here.
oh yeah, that is interesting, huh?
Yeah. Residual project has nothing in it, which is good. Now can I guess it's just there forever still. Until what, huh? It can't oh, unwatch, okay. Eh? Let's see.
Are you trying to get rid of this one too?
Yeah, because like it got rid of the repository, but that doesn't mean like that this is gone in itself.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Just wanna, clean up and be economical.
Right. Ooh.
Oh well, I guess it's just there forever.
It's your
Anyway.
demons haunting you.
Yeah. The ghost.
The ghost of residual projects past.
The ghost of the residual project repository.
Uh,
Alright, but that's done. Okay, okay. So now let's do changes in our own branches. Honestly, the funny thing is that I don't think you even needed to download my branch. Maybe.
no, not really.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, I think it's just available on the.
I think that if I had to like give you the thing to change instead, it's like, oh, I don't have time for this right now. Can you like change it for me? And so just go to get my repository, and then so download that, and then you know, uh, what's it called? Pay and make the changes, and then I guess you'd have to then commit the changes to your own repository branch,
Right.
something like that. But yeah, okay, so let's do some testing anyway. So I'm gonna add a quote, and you add a quote, and yeah, commit the change to your own branch, and let's see what happens. Does it work? I guess not. Because this is not a real command thing. So yeah, I did the magna opus thing.
Oh, did you? Nice. Okay.
Yeah. So now that's done. It's in my branch. And I say magma opus. It says add co-authors. Now what happens if I switch to main? Okay, there you go. It changed it right away in real time.
Nice.
Right, wait on you.
All right, I did mine. Let's see here. Get rid of this one. This one. Okay, I gotta try reloading that. Okay, now put it out. Control save. I'll make this the one. That's this one. Okay, there we go. All right.
Okay.
So my change was successful, and now So now do we still have to go through File Explorer with all of it?
No.
So we don't have to worry about that at all. So then I just go to here.
Yep.
And changes 8. Dialog change. Then commit it right to my branch.
Mm-hmm.
And do you want me to push it then too?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then
Push it.
you'll have access to it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Pushing it.
I already pushed mines too, so you should see a notification.
I have a preview poll request.
I don't know what that's about.
Me neither. Current branch Ethan has already published to GitHub. Preview the changes. This podcast will have proposing your changes. No, okay, I don't think I need to do that. Okay, so then from there, then what do I do now?
Just go to back to the GitHub desktop
Okay,
and go to my branch.
go into your branch. So you have a change right here, log text. Okay, so I see there's all this. Is this everything that's been changed?
Apparently.
What
Can
you
you go to
got, man?
history?
You were busy.
I don't
Magma
think so.
Opus.
There you go. That's the one.
Okay, I see this.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's there, but did you not have to fetch the origin?
Last fetched 1 minute ago.
Like, did you press on it though?
Beforehand, no.
Mm-hmm. What would you like to
I
do with them? Your in-progress work will be stashed on this branch for you to return to later. Bring my changes to Ethan. I'm gonna change yours to be like mine instead. Save work directory and index state on unable to unlink old log.txt invalid argument. Could not reset index file to revision head. What does that mean?
That's a good question.
Oh. I think I did something wrong.
Would you just get rid of your commit?
I don't know.
Over here, I still have the Magma Opus.
Uh-huh. I didn't push it, the change. So this is weird. I don't understand what just happened. But on your end, on your branch, I don't see your change. You got my change, but I don't see your change.
Leave my changes on Victor. Bring my changes to Ethan. Your in-progress work will follow you to the new branch. Will be stashed. So then I would want to leave that on you. Close. Close.
Yeah, this is kind of annoying. That, like, once we made these changes, it's like this now.
Interesting.
And let's see. I don't see your changes yet. Okay, can you go to my branch?
I'm on your branch and I can't get out of it.
Okay, well, cancel. Go to history. I want to see something.
Okay.
Okay, so it's still there. So can you go to the game now? Go to the script and see if that change is there.
Yep.
Okay,
Your changes are here.
yeah.
Hmm. Well, that's on here, but what's this? Oh, is this for before? Oh, yeah, it's old game. Okay.
Looks
Huh.
like I guess we have to bring the changes or something.
Mm-hmm.
Gus? No.
Hmm.
Well, I thought this would be easy, but apparently not. Okay. This log, can I get rid of it?
All
Discard
right, here.
changes.
You spoiled little brat. I'll bring it to you. Just like your daddy.
What does it matter? Okay. Maybe it's because of the whole switching thing. Ignore file. What the fuck is that supposed to do? Okay, whatever.
Being annoying. There you go.
Let's see. I don't think it changed anything. Yeah. This log, I hate this thing. Whatever the fuck it is.
That's so weird. What is this?
Well, it's I see info about your laptop on here anyway.
My laptop?
Yeah.
Well, that's weird. Why? Yeah. Why is all this on here?
Seems to be something to do with your laptop screen resolution or something.
Well, what if we just discard that change? Is that gonna change anything?
Nope. Still there.
How did this even pop up initially?
I don't know, but I managed to discard it after stashing it.
Oh, okay. So stash and then just discard.
Yeah, and there was like some other stash changes. Okay. Anyway. Now I have to go through your log.txt.
Weird.
Discard. No, nothing. Okay. So now that I got rid of those logs, it's working out. How about you're on? Now you're on. Cause like I did the push stuff. So, well, how's it gonna look for you?
Well, I don't know. There's these logs are still on my end over here when I'm looking at
Okay, so
Victor.
pull. Stash changes and continue. Go. Saved. Okay. Okay. So just commit.
Just commit this.
Yeah. Then discard. You said you have stash changes, so discard them.
Okay, pull origin. What is this?
Close. Commit.
Pull again?
Yeah, because you still have more. Okay. So it's just gonna keep doing that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you
Yes.
yeah, go down. Force push origin. Yeah,
I'm sure.
yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so that's
Now do the same thing on this one. Just commit it.
yeah. And then view stash. And then discard. Okay. I guess push origin. Okay, now go to mine. My branch. Okay, there's nothing with my branch. Okay, go back to yours. Okay, so now we don't have to deal with that anymore, I guess, for now. For now, we've beaten the boss.
Yeah, right. What was that all about? That's so weird.
Well, it had something to do with your laptop anyway, and its resolution. That's all I really know, because it's giving me info about your laptop's resolution and the graphics card and all that.
That's weird.
Mm-hmm. But in any case, though, now let's see, Ethan. So you got the warpers and stuff and blah blah blah, and then so is this correct? Is this everything?
Yeah, that's all I did for changes.
All right, and then this one's mine. All right.
Right.
Okay, and now we can go to main branch. And
Yeah, that's what it looks
then
like.
basically we can just uh-oh. What is this now?
Oh, look at
changes.
the changes.
Oh no, it's the log.
Hmm.
Gonna have to add it to git.ignore. Had to do it for the main. Okay, push. Because I'm not seeing anything with a stash. And,
All right.
yeah. View stash. What is this? I don't know. Going to yours, and you have a log.txt. Okay.
Interesting.
Well, I have stash changes, but I don't. Can I discard them? Okay. Okay, update log.txt, no changes. Okay, what's this about? Okay. Okay, well. Let's hope that's the end of that. But now that we've done that, okay. Let's see, main. So what you've done is that you've changed the dialogue altogether.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then I'm going to, I guess I'll take this. And then I go to main. Then, I guess I'll change this one. There you go. And then go to this one. Eh? Huh? What? How? I. It's not. It's my thing. It's not showing up.
Yours didn't show up, but mine did.
Yeah. So this is the main now, and it looks like by changing the main, it has overwritten the rest.
Oh.
Yeah, cause like nothing here is. Yeah.
Yeah, right. So when you change the main, it automatically changes the branches.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Okay. History. No local changes. Okay, well, let's try this then. Failed to save. Open repositories in parent folders. Maybe it's because I didn't save it. Maybe that's why.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Resolve save conflict. Discard your changes. Okay, so I'll go to main branch. Okay, go back to Ethan. There's also like merging Ethan with main.
So then that would just change the main, delete my branch, and then you just have to remake a branch for me after you merged it.
Oh, is that what's gonna happen?
Yeah, my branch will disappear and it will become what the main is. Or, what the main is will become my branch, basically.
Mm-hmm. But it deletes your branch?
Yeah, and then you would just start a new one. Or I would start one next time I'm working on it.
Oh.
I think the thing is, like, I would never touch the main. The only reason why I would touch main is in order to basically just create a branch
Yeah.
based off of main.
Okay, so from what you've seen so far of what I've been trying to do, I think you understand what I'm trying to do. But how would you go about changing it in my shoes? So, I want to change the main to add in both of our changes somehow. So what would you do?
That is a good question. To do both changes, I don't quite know if that would be. Well, I mean, that's just beyond my understanding. I'm sure it would be possible, but to have both of them in there, as soon as you merge like mine into it, and then you merge yours would just overwrite what mine was.
Yeah, exactly.
And so we couldn't really have both changes in there.
Yeah.
And so then that's like why I would do like on mine, I would send like a push request to you where I'm trying to, I'm pushing my code to you or my changes in the code to you so that you could then like edit it or whatnot or verify that it's correct before making it in the main. But I don't know if we could both be working on the same parts, And it'd have to be, I would assume that you'd have to do everything in order. Like if I was working on something like the dialogue that's just before that, and you were working on the current dialogue that we're looking at, we'd have to make sure that we're merging them in the order that we like completed them, I suppose. Or I don't know. I don't know. This is
Yeah, but this
a
was
lot.
this was the conundrum that I was thinking about that I didn't explain, and I was like, you know what? I'll just do it and show him, show him
Right.
what my issue is. Yeah, so I'm guessing what I'm gonna have to do, right, is to as the person that's like in charge, right, I'm gonna see what changes are best to put in, basically. And so, for example, this one. Wait, this is Ethan though, right? Yeah. Okay. You is this exactly how you did it? Is this yours?
Yeah, that's what I wrote.
Okay. Like as in like no, I meant by like is this the same changes on your computer?
Like on my script.
On your script is the
Ye-
same thing?
yeah, it's exactly the same.
Okay, that's what I want to know. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. You know what? Since they're both like new or whatever, I guess. I guess I have to copy it like this. Get entire highlight all that. Then I see. Okay. Then I save that. Let's see, script.m. Oh, there's the branch stuff, right? Is this it? Source control 1 pending changes commit. Huh. Yeah, it was like something like this stuff anyway.
Mm.
Extensions, GitHub repositories, remote repositories,
Mm.
remotely browse and edit Git repositories. And then, yeah, these are extensions.
Nice. Okay.
Interesting, interesting. Open a repository from GitHub. Allow. So authorize. Open. Did I don't think anything happened. Okay. Any case though, so yeah, so I'm just gonna continue doing my thing. Let's see, changes on main. Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah. Added Ethan stuff. So I go to mine now. And then I take this magna opus. Okay, and I'm gonna need to reload. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay, so that's done. Binary final has changed. Yes.
Yes. There we go.
Okay.
Hmm?
Oh my god. What do we do? There's like these two things. Either way though. So that's done. So yeah, fetch main. Just close it. Every time it's log.txt, close it.
Do I just do the force push again?
No, fetch. See?
That again?
Okay, so go to the drop down and there's fetch.
Dispatch origin.
Okay, so fetching will just bring in the same thing again. Current branch commits GitHub that do not exist on your machine, pull origin. On the, just do the blue button one. Okay, so that's gonna happen all the time, huh?
It's weird.
Yeah. But we're learning stuff, so that's all that really matters.
I just don't understand what the log txt is. Is it like you were saying, just something to do with my
Yeah, it was like,
screen or whatever? Like, what's wrong with my screen?
I don't know.
That's weird.
Let's see.
Something I have here.
Stupid logs. Hmm. Yeah, this log thing. Could it be that you have a log.txt in the folder? Yeah, there is a log.txt in it. Huh.
All right. So then if we just get rid of that, is that okay?
Yeah, but even then, I don't know what I'm doing right now with this.
Nor do I. Couple different text documents. We got the traceback, the log, and the errors. It's weird that this is popping up like this.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, you go ahead and delete the log, I guess.
Delete the log out of like the folder, or are you talking on desktop?
I think you have to do it in the folder anyway. But
So just
maybe
delete it.
first main. Okay. You're on the main branch though, so
No, go to Ethan. There you go.
yeah. I'm gonna delete it on main. Oh, this section can't be because it's open in Python W. Okay. So I'm gonna just quit out of these, see what happens so far. Okay, so vi. Okay, maybe I'll just like get rid of all these really.
Don't need any of those.
Yeah.
All right, I'll do the same on my end.
Oh, I'm
Or not.
committing to main, so I think that maybe it'll get rid of it for you and when you fetch it.
Well,
We'll see.
yeah, good thinking. All right, so then go to my main
I'm
right here and do
pushing.
the fetch.
Yeah, I'm pushing now. And yeah, that should go through. So what does it say now? Pull. File does not exist. Resolve. Continue to merge. Abort merge. Use. Do not include this file on origin main. Use the modified file from main. Use the modified file from main.
Okay, continue merge.
Error. Unable to unlink old log.txt invalid argument. Close?
Close.
Okay,
Okay.
so I guess just delete your log.
Delete those.
You have to close renpy first. Turn out, yeah, close out renpy, all of it. Okay, now you're safe to delete log.
Those other two that were there though automatically did get deleted.
Okay, that's good to hear.
All right, so
Okay.
log is gone.
All right, now try pull again. Okay.
Continue merger.
Okay.
Pushing. Yes,
I guess
merging.
that should be fine. Question mark.
Question mark.
What is that all about?
No. Oh.
Does that say geometry? I can't read it. It's like way too small.
Ooh. See if I can make it bigger. Oh, it does not help. Yeah, geometry.
Okay.
You like reading right here or something, or up here?
Yeah, cause like your stream is on 720p, so it's gonna like pixelize the letters.
No.
Not,
Can we
you
increase that?
can't change it to 1080p. You need to have Nitro to do that. So don't worry.
Oh,
about it.
gotcha.
Yeah, don't worry about it. In any case,
All right. Should I just commit all this to main then? Or no?
I'd say, is there a way to discard it, stash it, discard it?
These have like nothing.
Mm-hmm.
This one. Let's see. Discard?
See what happens, I guess. Can you just like highlight all of them at once? Instead
See
of
what
doing
these
them one
last
at a
two.
time? Okay.
Guess not.
Guess not. Guess not.
All right. I wonder if I would have gone up here. Oh, discard all changes. There you go. Stash all changes. I could have done that.
Oh, where? Where'd you find that?
It was just where the bar here that says changes. When I
Okay,
click
okay.
on that,
Okay, that's
right click
nice.
on it.
Good to know. We're just spending an entire day learning how to use GitHub.
The GitHub desktop.
Desktop. There you go. Yeah.
Okay, and so now when I go back to my renpy, see. Let's look at
I
the
have
script.
pulls for this.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's because I, in my branch, I have like I still have errors log traceback.
Okay. In your branch, you have what? Oh, what is this? Oh, all these things pop back up for changes on the main.
Yeah, let's see. It's telling me
Did I
to
stash
push.
them all?
Interesting. Successfully merged it.
There's the log back again, trying to sneak back in there. What the heck is going on? Is this going to happen every time?
Probably.
So weird.
Yeah. Okay, log again. Merge branch main. Okay, so so can you discard the change or what?
You want me to discard all of them?
Yeah.
Permanently discard changes?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like what else do you want to with them?
Right, and the log text did not disappear.
Okay, so give me 1 second. Okay, that log is there again, so I guess just commit it? Man. So that's what's happening. Okay, I get it now.
What is?
So the thing is that both of us, we both have logs, and these logs are for our like respective computers. And so the log is, so my log is for my computer and your log is for your computer, and both of them are, conflicting with each other as a result of that, because both of our logs are different due to our computers. It's recording our own computers, right?
Oh. So
Yeah.
every time you commit something and I'm grabbing it over here, I'm taking your log with it?
Yes.
And then it's the same thing for you?
Yep.
So you're seeing my info, but looks like
Yeah.
I'm also only seeing my info. But that is really weird. So how do we go around this? Does just one of us use this at the same time?
The log is always gonna be there. That's the thing. Like, not only that, it's probably gonna keep changing too. That's the
Right.
other thing. So that's the issue with it. The log is really fucking annoying.
I wonder if there's a way to avoid that log.
Yeah, it's ignore log anyway, but we need to like ignore traceback errors in log anyway, so that they don't get committed.
So just ignore the log txt file,
Ignore file, yeah.
or all txt files.
If you
Or
do
just
that, you might be ignoring stuff in the game, like shaders, for
sure.
example.
Okay. And once I ignore it, do I commit it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'll push it.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I go to like mine, there's my log again. Ignore.
Just keeps on appearing.
And I see on yours as
Yeah,
well.
just ignore.
Do that again. Ignore.
Man.
And if I go back to main, and I go back to yours, there's still, I gotta push that. Okay, now what? Is that back? No. Never mind. No, gotta push that.
I think it worked, cause I'm not getting anything out of it.
So we both ignored all logs on all things, so maybe we'll be good now?
Hopefully.
Until the log changes?
Yeah, but like
Then
we're gonna have to do it. Oh no, not until the log changes. But like, you know what? Just make a change to your game. Like, uh, can, do take the main, choose a branch to merge. Okay. Is there a way to like just make it so that the main, like you can copy the main and replace your own? Oh, maybe you just have to. Maybe you're just gonna have to make a new branch off of main.
Well, I mean, if I just merge the main into mine or mine into the main, whichever one you want to
The
keep.
main into Ethan, right?
You want me to do that?
I mean,
What?
like, if you do that, is main branch still there?
No, the main branch will be changed to what my branch is right now.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think it would be renamed as the default branch, or maybe the default branch would be renamed Ethan. I don't know.
Instead, just go to main
Main.
and just take whatever code is changed there and put it into yours for now. Yeah,
Alright,
so there's
so
like four things.
4 of them here, right?
Yeah, just copy all of them.
How did you open up another one? Was that just right here?
No, it'll automatically change it when you change repository. When you change branches.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so copy it.
Just copied all that.
Yeah.
And then just switch over here to mine.
Yeah.
Go back, and there's that.
Mm-hmm. Replace all that.
Placed.
Okay, save.
Okay. Go save. All right, saved.
Okay, go back to your desktop. So that's done. Now
Okay.
commit.
Commit. All right. Pushing to origin. Okay. All right. And then, oh,
Let's see. Visual Studio Code. Okay, and that's changed, and there's no log, there's no nothing. Maybe make another change to the code, save it, and then play the game. So add another quote or something.
while I'm under mine, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I'm just trying to test to see if the log will ever show up again.
Okay. See. All right.
It's good.
And then we're saving it,
Now play it.
and we'll go into playing it. Let's do that. Reload. All right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Me too, Clint Jr. Me too. All right.
Okay,
So
that's
we played
done.
that.
Yeah. So now you have all that stuff. As you can see, your log.txt is there.
There it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
After I manually entered something in like that.
Yeah. So, it was more like because you played the game.
Oh, once we played the game, that's why all this happened.
That's when the log.txt shows up.
Gotcha.
So, can you uncheck mark log.txt?
Yep.
Okay, and then now do the summary and commit.
And committed. All right. And then
And then I guess just gonna have to discard that log. Oh, there's also pushing origin. You forgot
yes.
to push.
We're pushing.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess that log is just gonna be there forever. So now play the game again. Let's see
Did it
if
go away?
a new log will show up. Okay.
Okay. And still just the one log, but
Okay.
these guys did.
Yeah. I think that you can just discard them, I guess. Let's see.
And the log stays there. The rest are gone.
Okay, so I guess from now on we just keep on uncheck marking the log.txt and not bother with it, I guess is how it goes. So our next job, okay, is to find out how to do this source control or something.
You know, if we leave the log txt still there, though, we can't really jump between branches if
Yeah,
need be.
so just can you stash it?
Yeah, I think when I click up here,
Yeah.
stash all changes, close, no. Let me see that again, yeah. Saved working directory and index state on Ethan, GitHub desktop, Ethan, error, unable to unlink old log txt. Invalid argument fatal could not reset index file to revision head.
Huh.
Hmm.
Okay. So I guess.
Maybe there's a video or something we could watch to avoid that.
Yeah, good idea. We always forget that, huh? It's like
Right, yeah.
we just wait
Well,
until we like until fucking we're like down in the ditches. Okay, let's see. renpy and GitHub. How about that? How to use GitHub to automatically publish your renpy game to. Okay. Keeping your renpy project organized. 4 years ago. How to use GitHub. Okay. Guess that 4 years ago one is my only.
it's the only option.
Yeah. We'll see what they have to say.
Okay.
I don't think I'm getting what I want out of this actually.
No.
Yeah, I thought that it had something to do with GitHub, but apparently not. It's just literally just saying organized. That's it. I thought that maybe this was this had something to do with GitHub, but no.
Yeah. Apparently it's just renpy stuff.
Mm-hmm. VSC. Okay, nothing. Right. Like how there's no date for this. Okay. Okay. Guess we'll just have to keep using the GitHub desktop. Yeah, maybe I guess your next quest is to ask the discords.
Yeah, I guess, right?
Yeah,
That wouldn't be a bad one for the renpy one.
yeah. It's like, hey, anybody here have like, worked with other people using the GitHub desktop program and share files because I keep getting this log thing and it's getting in the way and I can't move branches if it's still there, and I tried ignoring it but that doesn't really work. Something like that, I guess. But yeah. while you do that, just gonna review the Git. Desktop for group project or something like that with a group.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder if that Saronis guy is going to be the one to help us. You guys should probably go look through the quick start manual. Thanks, Saronis. Always so helpful.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. Jesus Christ. Oh man. Okay, let's see. So I've gotten to the .git ignore file. So let's see what he has to say about it. Nothing has been changed yet. Before we do that though, let's now go back to that .git ignore file we skipped earlier. We skipped one? I didn't see anything about that. Anyway.
Yeah.
This is a file that basically tells GitHub what files to ignore when you are creating a backup. This file needs to have .gitignore extension and should be in your root folder of your game, as it will not apply to folders of a higher level. Here's what Akiba kindly provided as a good base .gitignore file if you are working on renpy. For example, this will tell GitHub to ignore all files with a .keystore extension. Those are meant to be kept secret, or .rpyc extension. You don't need these if you already have the RPY files. You can open .ignore with any text editor. So basically all these things, which is good.
So we make a git ignore file and then we add all of those things to it.
We already have a .ignore file. We just have to add these into it. But yes, let's see. So that's good. And by the way, this guy is like not even a he's not a coder. He's just like us, you know. He's like, oh, I'm more of a writer or whatever, and anytime goes outside of just writing, it goes over my head, kind of thing.
Right.
Let's see here. Just copy, right? This copy raw file. Was that okay? Well, I mean, I'll just do that. Wait. And then I'll go to residual 2 dot git ignore. We use WordPad. Log.txt, thanks, okay. Let's open with, choose another. God damn it. Notepad, there it is. Just once. Okay, so that's done. I believe that should be fine now. And then I'll give it to you. There you go. Just copy and paste that. Ah, shit. No, never mind. Instead, I'll give you the link. So go into that link and copy straight from it.
Okay. All right. Going to my own notepad here. All right. And I should be able just to close out of that, right? No saving or anything, right?
Well, I mean, you have to save it, but yeah. I mean,
How do you
it's gonna ask you to save if you close out anyway. So yeah, you're gonna save.
Saved. Jeez, now Serona's gonna really come after us.
Bro, like, I could have, I edited it in your branch, the dot git ignore, which means
Yeah.
that I could have just sent that to you.
Oh,
Yeah, I could have just committed, and then push it, and then, yeah.
okay. What is this? Discard. Okay. All right, I still have these guys here. What do I do?
Just commit, I guess. Stash changes. Just commit it. Okay,
Fair
push
enough.
it.
Pushing. Fetch.
Yes. Just do it.
Do it.
Yeah. Conflict. Go to editor. Drop down. And use the modified file. Push. Okay, seems to be good. Fetching. Pull. Done. Okay, so the question now is, let's see here. Go to main, it's the same thing. Or no, it's not. Okay, I have the I hate log.txt. Okay, go to main. Choose a branch to merge with main. I'm gonna merge. Resolve. See. Still more. Main. Wait, no, this one is from Ethan. Or maybe this one, I don't know. Anyway. Let's see. Main, I guess. Okay, so there's all this stuff now. Yes. Push. Okay, so that's pushed. And Ethan is still Ethan. It's still there, so you didn't lose the branch. Oh. Current change, incoming change, Ethan. I hate text log thing. And then here, yeah, okay. Accept change, incoming change, both changes. Compare changes. Okay.
Oh, this is what it looks like when you have to, before you can commit it or something?
I guess so.
Interesting.
What's... Oh man, what the heck? Revert this change? And then what? Accept incoming change? Ah, yeah, this is really screwed up anyway. Update. I hate downloading update. So what happens if I do this? I don't know. Head Ethan. Interesting. Then what? I mean, do I just delete it? Like, what do I do with this? Plus? Okay, it's gone now. And what's this thing?
I have no clue.
Okay, well, that cleaned it up anyway. Commit to main. Push. Then what? Like, if I merge into main Ethan, this branch is up to date with Ethan. Is it? According to this, it is. Oh, well, this one. This one is not, anyway. This one is not committed. I mean, this one's not the same. There'll be 3 conflicted files. Okay. And merging Victor into main. Okay. Use from main. Game script from main. Log.txt from main. Push it. Okay, let's see. Eh? It's... Huh? Branch is up to date with Victor. Eh? Go to Victor. Choose a branch to merge with Victor. This will merge 23 commits from main into Victor. Okay. Push. So now everything should be the same. Looks like it. So go ahead and, I guess, get all that. I don't think you need to get Victor, huh?
No, if I just fetch under Ethan and main, should I be good? Oh, here under main.
Okay. There
Okay.
you go. And check
That's
your
good.
files. I mean, check. Go to your Visual Studio Code. Oh, I guess you could check your history too. I forgot about that.
It all looks. What is that? Merge branch? No.
Just go to the freaking
Yeah.
VSC. Okay, so you have everything.
Looks yeah.
Uh,
Looks like it.
yeah, and then go to main. Now go back. Okay, seems to be the
It's all
same.
there.
All right, sounds good. And then now make a change to Ethan again. Do add something else to it. We're gonna keep learning until we learn it well. We're gonna understand everything I tell you. Everything.
Everything.
Knowledge is power. All right, let's go.
Saved. Reload. Dang it. All right, it made it
Let's
in.
go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now
And,
go here. No log.
No log, that's right. But there is the rest of that stuff, which honestly they should not be included. It should only be not like that. The RPYC shouldn't be included either. And the thing is that was in here, I believe. Yeah, see this .rpyc. I'm gonna have to check it again then. So I'm gonna go to residual 2, and then make sure that I'm on the main one, I guess. I'm Victor. So go to main, that's done. Okay, git ignore, open with, notepad. Eh? Okay. Like it's all there. Huh. That's weird.
Hmm.
Let's see what. Okay, so shaders is. Well, shaders is not in the .txt, not in the .git ignore.
Should we add that, you think, then?
I mean, do it through the GitHub desktop.
So then, I go over the shaders. Add to git ignore.
Yeah, I guess so.
Should I do all of them?
Yeah. Cause okay, we only care about the script. So yeah, do everything that isn't .rpy.
So the RPYB and this JSON.
Yeah.
Okay, that stuff. Okay.
Get rid of, like, ignore all those.
Ignore all. Okay. Gotcha. Is persistent one too? Saves persistent?
Yeah, yeah.
There's not an all choice for that.
There you
Okay, and then should I just discard all these?
go. I'm sure it'll be fine. Just commit. Did you do the RPYC too?
The RPYC as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you only want the RPY.
Okay.
I don't remember what that stuff was about, but all I know is that people keep on saying, as long as you have the RPY, it's okay. You only care about RPY. I'm like, okay.
Okay. Fair enough. Pushing. Okay. Now let's see what happens when I do another playthrough.
Good idea.
And one change. This one again.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do that again.
Yeah.
Ignore folder. Ignore file.
Yeah, that one's fine.
Fi- the file
Wait,
one.
no, the file is just that file alone, so that, yeah, just the folder path. Saves, yeah, just do it. Do the saves.
That's what I did last time.
It's okay. Just do it.
Okay, just do it. And push in.
All right, now play the game again.
And there it is again.
Quite
persistent, that persistent file.
Yeah, it's very persistent. Well, I mean, I guess just commit it. Fuck it. At least it's not a log file, I think. Question mark.
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
It's like, yeah, I guess you can't change branches until you commit it.
Nothing in main though. All these in yours though.
Stash changes and continue. Huh. Okay.
Sweet. Okay. Do I need to redo all the git ignores on this stuff, you think?
No. I'll just get yours and then I'll merge it with main.
Uh-oh.
What?
Log txt popped up. Indeed. Dang it.
Yeah.
Why is that on the main?
Good question. It seemed to have not gotten much out of yours. Okay. Thanks, I guess. Nothing here.
Ugh, gotta log again.
Can I kill myself now?
Right, seriously. No, now that Jason one's back again.
Okay, so after you commit that and send it, I want you to go look into your .git ignore again. See what's in there. Close that one out and then reopen from the folder. Okay.
Jason's in there twice. It saves. in there twice.
Yeah. Actually, the save's in there 3 times.
3 times. Yeah, there it is again.
It's as if it doesn't work. Oh well. I mean, I guess just commit it every time because it wants to be a bitch.
Yeah, right. Seriously.
Oh well. It do be like that, I guess. But the good thing is that when I fetched from you, it only gave me like 2 things. Like I thought it was gonna give me a bunch of things, but it didn't.
Really interesting.
But this time it gave me 3, but let's see. Yeah. It's the dot git ignore. It wants to add stuff to it. Which is like just, the 2 of the same things or something like that, whatever.
Oh. Let's see if anyone wrote back on here.
Squash and merge. Hmm. By merging main into Ethan, does that mean that the Ethan content is gone? Huh. I don't understand. Okay, let's see. I'm using the modified file from Ethan.
Shit.
Okay, so I've uploaded your Ethan branch, see what happens. Hello?
What's up?
I've uploaded your Ethan branch. Can you go
All right.
to your Ethan branch and fetch it?
Fetching. Boop.
Why is your
Oh, I
dot
got
git ignore there?
23. All right. Pulling all that. A lot of text. Great. Okay. I tried pulling it once, and it did not work. See, fetch origin.
Yeah, fetching just makes it refresh, basically.
So
Stash
save changes and
continue.
continue. Stash changes. Gotcha. Close them.
Okay, stop that.
Stopping.
It's clear that it's not working, okay? So just commit your changes first and see what happens. Okay, now pull. Okay, use the drop down.
Force or fetch?
I guess you're just gonna have to force it. Yes. Push.
All right. The stashed changes.
Okay, I got like 23 changes and whatever. Let's see.
23.
I got the bytecode. Okay, I send it back to you.
All right, fetching. Pulling 24.
This is so
And
stupid.
what are we doing here? What is the point of all this?
We're trying to see if we can make them, well, work, basically. It's like, it's not working, right? You just keep on having to go through this shit.
Right. Force push origin.
So it's like, why? Why is this happening is the question.
Yeah. Should we have the room?
Okay, my Ethan branch is like different. Accept current change. Working tree. You need to check your own script to see what's going, if there's anything going on there.
Yeah, I got the looks similar to yours.
Okay, just wait on that. I'm on Ethan, right? Okay. Commit to Ethan. Push. Fetch. Pull. Oh man, god damn it. It changed it back. Fuck you.
Hey.
Wow, this is a lot of problems. Like, it got rid of the knowledge is power.
Oh,
Yeah.
huh. What? How did you get rid of that? Did you accept the incoming change, or did you?
Yeah, it was an incoming change, and I don't know why. It's it's only that I had to this because I fetched your thing, and then
Oh, so
it's like telling me, oh, that's the change or whatever. I was like, okay, like why? Why is it deleted as a change?
it's
Anyway,
weird.
just do your thing, pull. Yeah, that's something that you should be stashing instead. If you, I think that's possible to stash it or discard it really.
Oh yeah, okay. I will do that in the future.
Cause like it's getting really annoying that like it keeps on keeps on doing this, and then like it just comes back with more shit.
Right. Hmm.
Okay, your turn. Like playing pinball or something, or like that.
Ennis.
Yeah.
All right. Pull.
Error.
Okay. This is just an RPY. Do I still just discard that?
No. Commit to it, I guess. Okay, that stuff. Now you discard those. Okay, do it again. Pull.
There's the
There's the
log.
log, yeah.
Discard that or stash it?
You can't discard it anyway. You can try. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, right.
This fucking log, man. It doesn't do anything. All it does is just keep bringing bringing the change, and then like I change it and nothing happens. Like you just keep it just keeps on pushing 20 more, like it keeps on pushing one more thing than the last time. 28,
Right.
29. Like what the
Yeah.
fuck, man? It's the
Ugh.
most annoying thing I've ever had to deal with.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Okay, so just fetch it. And don't force the push. What does that say? Okay, error old log.txt file.
Yeah, I think so.
Can you pull it again? Because I want to see it.
Right here.
Unable to unlink old.txt. Okay, so just copy that error and search it up and ask what to do about it. What can you do?
Okay.
Copy the entire error. Okay, there you go.
All right.
Use Copilot or something.
Oh yeah, good thinking.
Okay, so go to your go. Shit, just search Google now. See what they say.
Git pull failed. Unable to link it. Okay, what do these guys say?
Oh, that's why. Oh my god. Okay.
What is it?
Can you go to your notepad? It's not opened. Okay. So your game maybe is on. Maybe it's because your game's up.
This?
Yes. Just yeah, turn off everything that has to do with renpy.
Okay. Gonna get rid of that too. Out of there. All right.
Okay, now try to do the pull request again. Okay.
Okay.
That worked out. Can you can you discard that change?
Yeah. Looks like it. Okay.
Fetch again.
Fetching.
Okay, yeah, so the cause this entire time was that I'm sure it was actually the game that caused it, like your game still being up, cause my Visual Studio Code's up, and my renpy launcher was still up, but my game was not up, and I was able to do everything just fine.
You never had the game running during all that?
No,
Oh.
yeah,
That's silly.
yeah,
We just wasted a good 2 hours of our lives because of that. And we're like, all right, well, let's run the game again.
yeah,
Goddamn.
yeah. It was all because you left the game open. But
Gotcha.
at least now it's all solved thanks to doing a little Googling and then putting the pieces together.
There we go.
I was like, why is it that it works for me but it doesn't work for you? Like, what the heck is going on? But it makes sense though. Like when you have the game up, when you have any program that's open, it causes problems for when you want to make changes to files in a folder or whatever. It's like, oh, I can't change this file because a program is open that has to do with it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like that happens. But in any case,
Oh, God, that's so stupid.
now that that's all done, I want to merge into main or Ethan. Okay, let's just like, you know, main branch is up to date. Okay, well then. And then how about yours? How's yours looking?
Main branch over here.
Just fetch
It's
origin.
good. On the main or
Yeah, on the main.
on the main?
Yeah. Okay, nothing?
Nothing.
Okay, and then check Victor. Might as well see what's going on there. Okay, there's stuff there, so pull. You have to do it from Victor, I guess. Not that it really matters.
Right.
Okay, pushing. Okay, now I fetch. Okay, I'm good. So that, I guess that, like, every time we do that push and pull thing, it's like, oh, you have to push two things and then I have to pull those two things. It's just to synchronize us.
Yeah, I was just doing a little bit of reading. It said the fetch like grabs it, but the pull like merges it, or something like that.
Fetch just it's like it's mailing you. It's just giving you your mail, and
Right.
then when you
So-
pull, that's when you're committing everything, all the changes that the other person made into your thing.
Right. Yeah, merging it right into it.
Yeah. But yeah.
All right.
Okay, so we're finally done with that. That took us the entire session or something. But we finally learned how to use GitHub Desktop to a good degree. I think that it's enough that we'll get by at least. But yeah, okay. And yeah, so what's gonna be our next thing is the question. Oh, I have to merge Victor into main, or merge main into Victor. I don't think it really matters.
It's just combining the two, I guess, right?
Yeah. Pushing, I guess. Oh, my branch still. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I never got this knowledge's power out of Ethan. Okay. So main. What? 21 things? Really? Shit. All that crap that was in Ethan is now in main.
Mm.
Okay, well, so yeah, merge your main. Did you get it? Did you fetch
Let's
it?
see here. Last fetch just now, so that looks like it's up to date then, right?
No.
No? Okay, pulling.
Yeah, you always have to do it manually.
Okay, so that's good there. That's good there on Ethan, and Victor on my end is good. So yeah, the main is all set.
Mm-hmm. Now I have to merge the stuff from main to Victor. And then that should mean that Victor is now the same as everybody, and it is. Okay, well, I've made my changes to my Victor, but whether you need to deal with that or not is all up to you, really, I think, at the end of the day.
All right, I just had 26 things to add to Victor.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good
But
there.
at least now we have no problems with fetching, pulling, blah blah blah, all that stuff. Everything is working smoothly. For now.
For now, until next time.
Until next time on Dragon Ball Z, which it did feel like a Dragon Ball Z episode.
Oh Jesus, that was the most boring episode of Dragon Ball Z ever.
Exactly, right?
Goku and
The
Piccolo
most
trying
boring
to figure
3 or 6 episodes of Dragon Ball Z of powering up.
right, yeah, seriously.
Ah.
Yeah, right.
Oh
Oh
my
god.
god. All right. But yeah, let's end it off there. So, what is it that we should now consider for our homework?
Um. Well,
Let's
I
see.
think I still have to. We both still have things to do that we
Yes,
made.
we definitely do.
So I can. I think I'll focus on getting that speech bubble editor downloaded and learned, so I can teach you, so you don't have to be whispered to.
Haha. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, exactly.
Let's see. Is there anything else I can do from our tasks?
I mean,
Well, I guess I will learn more about the Godot stuff from Adam, or at least he'll send me that video or instructional document on how to do that. And I mean, if you want, we could always go through that next time too.
yeah,
If you're interested, it wouldn't be anything that would help us, but
yeah. Sounds good. But yeah,
maybe I could also look into some renpy plugins and visual novels as well.
yeah,
The
yeah,
YouTube channel.
yeah. But first is a
So
speech bubble, and then you can go into that afterwards.
sounds good to me.
Okay.
Is anything going to happen with this task on here if the due date is passed?
It's
I guess it just says
overdue.
overdue. Dang it!
Yeah.
Nothing ever changes. Failing grades. Fun.
You just lost 2 points from that.
Yeah, right. You got a demerit.
The merit, exactly. Yeah. It's looking like that we might just switch over to GitHub though.
Yeah, I was wondering. I wonder if there's a way to merge. I guess we only have like 7 tasks, but
Yeah,
or
I mean we
issues
can
or
just like get
whatnot.
rid of these Git tasks and then move on to GitHub or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you're thinking. If you want to make that one of your tasks, just putting all of our issues here, moving them over. Otherwise, we can just stop adding to Git, but
Yeah,
close out these tasks here.
we're just stop adding to Git. But like obviously
Okay.
there are some that are like just gonna always be there. Like block rollback, like we don't need that right now, for example. So that is something that I would have to move over to GitHub. But yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, sweet. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's for you. What's for me? I mean, obviously, I could also look into the plugins and visual novel design YouTube channel anyway. In any case, though, right, I want to make a work Windows account, so I gotta get to that.